Excellent delivery from Deshmukh.
That was a good delivery. Swung in the air and didn't give Rajiv the required room. If he would have missed on that occasion, then it would have been curtains for him. You're right, the fielding has really improved from Mumbai Heroes. They're really giving it their all. This time again, he tries go over the top, and it's a terrific shot. Going over mid-off, always a difficult one, but he does it with style.
That gets the crowd growing. That's what they need now. Such a clean hit. Very clinical, gets to the pitch of that delivery and goes through with that shot. Never wanted to keep it on the ground. He eyed that field quite well and he clears it so easily. Wants to play that one on the offside, misses it. So it is Dhruv who has been the aggressor so far. Rajiv has played a more sedate knock so far for his side.
Well, without a doubt, Bhaskar, Rajiv and Dhruv, these three, the Karnataka Bulldozers batting revolve around these three. Out of which Dhruv is making it count really strongly. He's making a good, strong statement. Although they've lost the first one, they're still going at a fair clip.
He's showing great maturity here, just waiting for the loose delivery to come his way. This time it was short, wide. He waits on the back foot and then smashes it over cover for another boundary for his side. Seems to be in a very good frame of mind to play such shots. Oh, straight onto his body. Will it be called a no ball? It is above waist height. No, not. So after 5 is 44 for 1.